Good day everyone, may buntag kanino tanan. Buenos dias amigo all over the globe. Today, we're going to explore this farmhouse for sale in ALFONSO, CAVITE. But before we start, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook and Instagram by simply click the link below on the description box. My name is Ray and let's do the house tour.
My fear just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you.
Thank you so much, and today nandito tayo ngayon sa ALFONSO, Cavite to feature this farmhouse for sale. But before we explore this entirety of this property, so this massive property with a total land area of 15,715 square meters or equivalent to 1.5 hectares, this property is enclosed with perimeter fence, and of course it has a nice house with a lot of plants and with a lot of fruit-bearing trees. Malaki ang lawn space, the driveway, and it has 2-car garage, and this house is composed of 3 bedroom with each toilet and bath with 2 space with a very beautiful dining area. Come and follow me and let us check this out. Let's go, Benji. So over here, this is the driveway, and this is the facade of the house, and over here this is the carport area. So this car garage can comfortably fit for 2 vehicles, and over here is your garden space with the auxiliary door which leads to the kitchen space overhead. So mamaya ikutan natin yan, and later on, iigotan din natin yung entire property nito, guys. Now, let us check out the main house. Okay? Anyway, so if you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. This is the porch area of the house, and this is the main door. So let's go in. So this main door is made of Langka solid wood or jackfruit tree solid wood. Now let us remove our shoes kasi guys, ang ganda ng bahay nila. Very clean and sleek, and look at this one, guys. So welcome to your farmhouse. Okay, sara natin yung door. So this is the living area of the house, or anything you see na fix is part of the sale, but anything you see na movable are not part of the sale. So this is the living area of the house, and you have here the access which leads to the bedroom on the 2nd level of the house. But before we explore that the room on the 2nd level, let us explore more on the ground level area. So over here is your formal dining area. So this wood is an iron wood with a very nice setup of linens and curtains. And over here is the console table with a very unique chandelier or the center light. The flooring, this one is a 60 by 60, it's ceramic tiles. The space, it's quite spacious. Now, follow me and let us check this out. So over here is your bar area with a lot of cabinets and shelves and a lot of wine. On the ground floor, you have a bedroom over here. Let us check this out. Come on. So over here is the bedroom number 1 on the ground floor. And over here is your second living space with an access which leads to the service kitchen. So before that service kitchen, guys, let us check out the common bathroom. Anyway, so on the side, this is the wash area. So this is your comfort room with a nice texture of tiles. And over here is the closet. And this is the shower space with a wash area. Quite impressive, right? At ang linis ng bahay nila. Now, so over here is the wash area. Let's check this out. Lights on, which leads to the utility room, and an access door which leads to the car garage. Follow me and let us check out the rooms on the second floor. So imagine that the house has a massive space with a total floor area of 400 square meters wide with 2 living area. And let us explore the bedrooms on the second level. So this is your steps. Okay, heads up. Let us check out the 2 rooms on the second level. So this is the hallway with a very unique staircase, and over here it's very expansive bedroom on the second level. So you have here queen size bed with a lot of spaces that which later on, once you occupy the property, you can put cupboards or shelves or cabinets para sa inyong mga clothes. And you have this center table with a beautiful flooring with this ceiling fan. And over here is your toilet and bath. See? Nice. So this is your vanity counter with a vanity mirror, with a water closet and a shower space over here. Alright? Plus, on this room, you have this walk-in closet. Ang daming laman, no? Lahat mga linens.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprison my fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the
Right, so welcome to your master's bedroom. So this door, this solid door is made of mahogany, and you have here a very expansive space. Now, on this master's bedroom, you have a king size bed with a storage area and with a toilet and bath. But what makes this house beautiful kasi yung kanilang mga windows are made of kapis. Alright, now let us check out the toilet. So over here is your toilet and bath. So you have here the vanity counter with a water closet and a shower space. Ayan. Okay? Ayan, nakita mo. So malaki, no? Nice din yung. And then over here, at ang ganda ng space, no? Ang lapad nung kanilang master's bedroom. Over here is your storage area. So lights on. See? You have the storage area. Okay? Lights off. And then let us check out the. So this is your family area. And over here is your walk-in closet space. Lights on. Okay? Check this out. See, you have a lot of spaces. Now, once you occupy this whole property, madami kayong mailalagay. So, we're done on the house. Then, let us check out the land space. Right? So, we're done on the rooms of the house. So, let us check out your expansive kitchen space. Ang cute. Alright, so over here, so this is the second living space of the house. And, wow guys, this is the expansive dining area and a kitchen area. So, tamang-tama for a farmhouse, no? Lalo na kung mayroon kayong mga kamag-anak, or mayroon kayong mga bisita, at mayroon kayong mga gathering or family events na gusto mong bumisita dito sa inyo guys. And also, the value of this property kasi malaki, no, nasa 1.5 hectares. Talaga namang mag-appreciate over time. So, since this is the kitchen space, you have a lot of space, a cabinet, and an island bar over here. So, and a counter, and an exit point which leads to the farm lot. So we're done on the house tour. Then let us check out the land area of this property. On my left side is your space. Over here is your staff room, and you have here the chairs and tables. Actually, no, the property is enclosed with a perimeter fence. Napakadaming puno, and this property is punong-puno ng laman. From the fruit-bearing trees, from the root crops. Anyway, so this property also has a water pump. So you have a supply ng tubig, and maraming mga kalamansi, and you still have a additional room over here. Maraming mga papaya, may lansones, may sampalok, may avocado, may mangga, may mga kuryoso or gabi and maraming saging, may nyog, may santol. So the property is from this perimeter, naka-close siya, no, hanggang doon sa may mga yero, and hanggang dito sa mga gabi na yan. And then meron kayong makikita ditong naka bakod, no, papunta na doon sa pinaka 1.5 hectares. So meron kayong lansones, ayan, namumunga na yan. And then follow me and let us check out this property. So over here, so mabilis nyo lang malukit yung inyo pong property kasi It's enclosed with a perimeter fence. Alright, so kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also kung interested kayo to check out this property, you can contact us on the number flashes on your screen. And this property is negotiable. Also, the property with a all year round weather, no? The same weather lang siya ng Tagaytay kasi malamig din dito sa ALFONSO, CAVITE. Maraming salamat, and kung gusto niyo po makakuha ng magandang price nito, guys, you can do your intention letter. Just email on the description, mayroon pong email address para po mabasa ng ating seller. The seller is alive na alive, walang extrajudicial, and anytime pwede siya makausap. Ang seller nito, guys, is also a retired Navy, US Navy. Maraming salamat, and I hope to see you in my next video. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you. So if you're out there, just run until the edge and fall into me and see where this could end. Make a wrong right and leave this world behind. Can you hear me? Do you feel me? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you. Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light?